Hello everyone, this is Naiti and today we are going to use a module called Google Trans in Python to translate different languages. So first open a terminal and install the module called Google Trans. So KB3 install Google Trans. So you can see requirement already satisfied. So now we will import the module. So from Google Trans import translator to translate and languages. So I will make a variable called text. So text equals to I love you. So we are going to translate this text into some languages. So trans equals to translator dot translate. So we are going to provide a text and the destination. Destination means in which language we want to translate. So I am going to translate this into Nepali. So yeah, now we are going to just print trans dot text into text. Okay, so let me open my terminal, cd desktop, let me run my program python 3 translate.py. So translator object has no attribute. Okay, so actually translate will be small t, not capital T. Okay, so okay, so now let me run this again. So yeah, now you can see Motimna Maya Virtu has been translated. So we have translated this I love you into Nepali. So yeah, we can use some other languages like French. So if I run this again, so you can see in French I love you means JTN. So now not only translating things, we can detect directly, we can detect the text. Okay, so okay, for better understanding I will just copy this text and in place of I love you I will paste this. Okay, so now we are going to detect the text in which language the text is. So translator dot detect and we are going to detect the text. And now let's run this. So you can see detected the language is NE, which means Nepali, and the confidence level is 1.0, which means 100% confident. So now if you want to know how many languages are there in this Google Trans module, so you can simply print languages and let me comment this out. Okay, so now clear this. So you can see these are the languages inside our languages. So in this way we can use Google Trans module. So yeah, if you want to know the length of this language, how many languages are there, so simply give the len command and run this. So you can see there is 107 languages inside Google Trans module. Okay, so in this way we can use Google Trans module to translate different languages. So if you want to know more about this module, so you can simply see the documentation of Google Trans. So have a nice day.